animals, Ciudad del Carmen, Campeche. Over time, the Earth has evolved and species have been manifest significant changes in our planet. Something very important in the life of human beings is to observe those animals, whose shape, size, and some who are talent have an overall attractiveness. But through this we can see the bad conscience of many people who don't think about the animal life. What is worse, they have no self-respect. Endangered animals is a topic of high interest, since most humans are responsible for what is happening. Hi, good afternoon. How are you today?
Fine, and you?
Fine. I would like to make some questions about endangered animals. What do you know about endangered animals?
I don't know too much, but if when the animal is to disappear.
Oh, it's okay. Why is no like endangered animals?
Why? Because the animal are disappeared because the people harm
Yeah.
or
Also, because environmental changes.
yes.
As endangered animals can be found birds, mammals, and many other species. I'll take them all as examples of endangered animals. Birds. Some birds endangered, Ciudad del Carmen, Campeche. What do you know about blue-headed parrots?
I think that it's a beautiful bird and that it's colorful and the people have one animal in your house and the parrot could be speak.
Yeah, it's interesting to hear them. Where do blue-headed parrots live?
I think that in the zoo or in your habitat natural or in house because that people have animals in your house because it's like a pet.
Yeah, they are beautiful. What we could do to avoid to their extinction?
And the people should be more
Conscious about
conscious about
the extinction.
your extinction.
Let's talk about the blue-headed parrot. It's a bird which is called with 4 different names: Coronia azul parrot, cacique chapaneco, and real parrot. This parrot measures from 35 to 40 centimeters of longitude, and it is almost weighs from 380 to 500 grams. Even if a bird that talks more because they can take to house and its owners take them. Their necks are bearing trees, carries, and walls rough. Its feet. There are fed on seeds, fruit, pork, buds, and flowers, grains of rice, maize, and sometimes they eat insects. This animal is endangered due to many factors, such as loss of habitat and alteration of natural environment, and its selling black market. It's an exotic pet that they have demand in other continents such as Asia, Europe, and North American cities. During their transfer, as it is a long way to go, and also weather conditions are the manner in which transport during that process some of them don't survive. Another important factor it is extinction by predators such as the boa constrictor, ocelot, thousands of opossums which steal their eggs. The blue-headed parrot inhabits in the Amazon jungle and places where there are leafy trees, taking account like example Ciudad del Carmen, Campeche. The blue-headed parrot is an exotic animal. In the pictures below you can see the beauty that attracts eyes people. Island, Ciudad del Carmen, an island surrounded by flora and fauna. In this small island, Profeco, Procuraduría Federal de Protección al Ambiente, point out that there are 62 specimens of birds and endangered animals, such as hazards, yellow-headed parrot, a white forehead half butterflies, tiles, nymphs, cardinals. These birds were found in captivity, but between them is found the blue-headed parrot, a bird that was captive by a gentleman of unknown name who had to be transported to another country and to get money through them. The blue-headed parrot is a very beautiful bird and colorful. Also, they can talk depending on people who train them. This parrot can keep at home as it is a bird very friendly, but Athens Professor drew up a certificate to sentence to that person who only used to bird with the purpose to get a good or money. For now, the bird was sent to Tecac, Yucatan, where they will remain on guard. In my opinion, this kind of bird should be cared by the association dedicated to the protection to endangered animals such as Profeco. Also, the citizens should be to participate in their protection The purpose to protect them is to keep the flora and fauna to future generations. And besides, there are seed dispersers and food for other animals. Protect them, they are life.